Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Check out these images. Your family, friends, and clients will be surprised by the changes. Let's not delay and get started with the tutorial. Do you want to turn your friends and family's photos into 3D images that look like Disney animations? Do you want to transform your customers' photos into anime and cartoon styles? LensGO AI's image-to-image feature allows us to change images to different styles with just a single click after uploading them. This AI has a variety of styles like cartoon, anime, manga, fantasy, 3D, painting, and more as presets that can be applied to our images with just one click. What could be better? If you want to turn your images into unique artwork easily and without any special knowledge, don't miss this tutorial. First, we visit the LensGO AI website. Now we are on the website. We sign up and create a user account, which is completely free. To access the image-to-image section, we can either click on the Restyle Photo thumbnail or select Create Image from the left menu. Now we are in the dashboard. In the left section, under the Model category, we have access to presets such as anime, fantasy, 3D, and more for image transformation. In the Image Dimensions section, we can adjust the image aspect ratio settings. A bit lower in the Number of Images section, we can specify the number of images for each generation. Further down, there is a text box to enter prompts. With the Upload Image button, we can upload and modify desired images. I click on the Upload Image button, select an image and upload it. Now, in the Model section, I choose a preset, for example, Pixel Style, to make the image resemble the 3D animations of that company. In the Number of Images section, I set the number of images for this generation to 4. In the Prompts section, I type words like cinematic and highly detailed, and then click the Start button. After a short while, the images are generated. Now I click on the images to review them and view them in a larger size. Below each image, there is an icon used for free image downloads. Now I try another style. From the Model section, I choose Vintage Comic Characters and click the Start button. After a short while, images with the new style are generated. We can also make significant changes to the images in the Prompts section. For example, to create a smile on the character's face, I enter the word smile. And if you want to change anything, like if I want the environment change, I type the words rain and storm in the Prompts section and click the Start button. After a short while, images are generated based on the prompts. Now you can download the desired images for free. If you found this video helpful and learned something new, please like it and share it with your friends. New AI tutorials are on the way, so be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video.